my name is Summer. I'm the nurse with Ashland Natural Medicine, and today I'd like to walk you through a Mycotox kit. This test is called a Mycotox test, and it's to test what kind of mycotoxin organisms you may be having. First, I'll unpack the kit and show you what we have. Inside, you will find a FedEx envelope for shipment, instructions, more instructions, a cold pack, an ice pack that needs to be frozen flat, specimen collection container, requisition sheet that will need to be filled out with your information here, collection date and time over here, and has the urine been frozen, and it should be yes. This section shows what you're testing for. This will be a mycotox profile. If you're missing any of the items shown in this box for the testing kit, please call our office and we can help you out. You will also have something called liposomal glutathione to complete this test. This needs to stay in the fridge, and it's good for up to 30 days. This mycotox test will be performed first thing in the morning. There's a little bit of preparation. You're going to start taking glutathione 4 days prior to the test. You will do 2 squirts under your tongue twice daily, 10 minutes before meals. If you find that when you take glutathione, it starts making you feel really unwell, you may be having a detox reaction. Detox symptoms can present as headache, general malaise or fatigue, or nausea. You can stop the glutathione and call the office for further instructions because we don't want you to push through something that's not going to feel right. After you've prepared with glutathione for 4 days, you can see here where I've highlighted instructions for you. Glutathione 2 squirts twice daily for 4 days, and then stop for 24 hours prior to the test. Then, if you're able, fasting for 12 hours may also increase excretion of mycotoxins from the adipose tissue. So, eat an early dinner and count how many hours it would be till 12 hours for your rise time, and that will be your 12-hour fasting period. You can also do a sauna the night prior or a deep tissue massage. All of these methods help excrete mycotoxins for us to be able to get a better shot at looking at how much mycotoxins you have in your system. Please avoid charcoal and bentonite clay 72 hours prior to this test. This is going to be our instruction sheet, and it also has a FedEx number on the back. When to call FedEx, you can call them after you've collected your urine in the morning and count 4 hours out because you'll need to put it in the freezer for 4 hours. I would also like to highlight the patient information section of the requisition form. It shows the lab, who the specimen belongs to. It's commonly missed, either a date of birth or a name, so please make sure you fill out your patient information entirely so that the lab knows who this belongs to and we can process it correctly. On the back, you can see there's a collection date that also needs to be filled out. Please fill out the collection date so the lab knows when you collected it. Also, has the urine been frozen? It should have been frozen. Yes. After you've collected your first morning urine, screw the lid on tight and put it in the freezer for 4 hours. Please make sure that you fill out your information in its entirety so the lab knows who the specimen belongs to and it doesn't get lost in the mix. After you froze your urine for 4 hours, you're going to package your specimen into the box. You have your biohazard bag. This is what your specimen will go into. It has an absorbent pad so that hopefully it doesn't leak. If it does, this will catch it. You put your specimen into the biohazard bag, close. There's a slit in the back of the bag for the requisition form, making sure this is entirely filled out with your information, right? Fold it up, put it in the bag, and then you got to put it in the cold pack with your entirely frozen ice pack. This keeps the specimen cool when it's getting shipped to the lab. There's a sticky piece here that you can peel off to then stick the envelope together. Put it in the box, and then the box goes into the FedEx envelope, and it has a prepaid stamp on it. All you need to do is call FedEx for a pickup or call them and see where the nearest drop box is. There's a self-adhering glue here. If you pull off this piece, close it up tight, voila, you have completed your test and you can ship it off, and it should be ready in about 14 business days. And then you can have a follow-up with your provider to go and figure out what you need to do for your treatment plan. Again, my name is Summer, and I am the nurse at Ashland Natural Medicine. And if you have any troubles performing this test, please call us. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.